The American band Deltec Homes is working at home, and so successfully that he even appeared in the reality show Extreme My Home Yiddish Carpet. This is the approach to business. All components of the house are manufactured at the team's factory and then sent to the site where local builders work with them. Among the options are not only classic rectangular, but also round houses. For example, a 139 square meter circle includes 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a kitchen and a 39 square meter living room. The company writes that it is possible to build such a house on any type of foundation, depending on the conditions, panels weighing up to 300 and 603 kilograms and floors under a static load of up to 136 kilograms per square meter are used. The approximate price tag for such a turnkey house is from $4. The price tag for such a turnkey house is from $480 to $700, 50,000. The area is full of incredible projects made from sand and gravel. Take Palm Jumeirah's artificial islands, which used about 186 million cubic meters of one material and 19 million cubic meters of other material. And in private construction, the same gravel is a frequent guest. It is used, among other things, to improve the territory. But there are problems. Gravel coatings require stabilization, and such systems called gravel grates or mats will help them out. The design is usually simple polypropylene mesh, honeycomb-like and geotech stylish weave-proof linings. The standard mat size is 1.8 square meters. The screen version is suitable for working at slopes up to 6 degrees and, depending on the subtype, allows you not only to walk, but also to ride on it. One of the latest innovative products on the market is very popular in modern construction. French companies write about their brainchild. It offers glass railings on aluminium profiles. These look great both inside and outside the building. Among the advantages: the adjustment itself and ease of installation, as well as easy cleaning, were washed with water, wiped and cleaned. The transparent element is 2 layers of tempered glass, separated by a film of vinyl similar to that used for cars. The master also uses a screw-in line, which allows them to easily adjust the angle of inclination. The standard version of the railings is 2.5 meters long and the total thickness of the glass is about 21-22 millimeters. The rim will cost $550. Construction beauty requires financial sacrifice in. Abortion as a brand of aluminium composite panels. A name that is sometimes used as a household name. Bond hatch is also known as KB or aluminium composite panels. You could see them even today. They will often be office centers for the department. Each panel is sandwiches made of 2 aluminium and 1 polymer sheet, and the advantages include ease of installation. For example, you can connect elements without glue using double-sided thesis tapes on the screen. The typical thickness of the panels is from 3 to 6 millimeters. They perfectly withstand frost and heat, are easy to cut and cook. The price tag per square meter of material is 3 millimeters thick, modest, about $17. Yes, the highlight of each room presents us with a glowing stretch ceiling. It looks like a normal one in it, and in the evening it gives a soft light that is very reminiscent of daylight. If you don't like this, you can adjust it to taste at the construction site. Airbay allows you to create an atmosphere like a romantic dinner, even for a serial marathon. Well, what would you tell me? All this works on LED strips, so if the room is small, you can order an option with lighting only the joint area, and the ceiling and walls. The installation is carried out at room temperature and is so simple that the seller posted the DIY instructions. The main material is matte polyester fabric with a transparency of 64.3% and a thickness of about 36/100ths. $35 per square meter of fabric and $272 for a 50 meters LED strip. Channel 1 is silent in Samara. For a more complex project, craftsmen make a spiral monolithic staircase. Among users, opinions about her are divided. Some believe that there is excessive consumption of materials, for example, laminated plywood is used as disposable. The strong cross-sections of rolled metal products were also noted. Others write that the work was done with dignity and quality, and the engineer simply made a formwork version suitable for any level of skill of the end performers. In addition, the author clarified that the guarantee of the quality of the work performed is 100 years. The developers of the Sissy Schultz tents explain the idea of a brilliant simple canvas impregnated with a dry solution that hardens when wetted, laid out, inflated by watering, and a concrete tent is obtained. Ideal for emergencies and search and rescue operations. The 25 square meter, 6-bed model unfolds in just an hour. The canvas hardens in about a couple of hours at 2400 and reaches 80% strength. The estimated life of the tent is 10 years. In addition, tents can be joined together. The canvas itself is so versatile that it will be useful in other scenarios. This is the construction of gabions and the protection of slopes before organizing swimming pools and drainage systems. The developers have organized entire thermocouples. The developers have organized the entire park and invite everyone to visit. All you have to do is email them. On screens, either take an equal wall beam read on a wall thickness of 15 to 40 centimeters. The manufacturer relies on the ease of working with the formwork. It is possible to unify them without a crane. Each element is suitable both for destroying columns and as an angular one, and the structural thickness of the system elements is 10 centimeters, which additionally simplifies the transportation of the search. Simpson Strong is so, but it is not affiliated with the popular cartoon family. We also came from the USA. The company has hardware and fasteners, from banal screws to tanker corners and perforated gears, quality assurance, the company's certification according to international standards, and with 9000 will find a solution for wood, concrete and brick. According to the patched products, they help structures withstand strong Peter, hurricanes and seismic effects. In addition, Simpson Strong-Tie is one of the world's largest suppliers of building materials, has its own research centers and collaborates with giants such as the University of Washington. Due to many factors, voids can form under slabs or concrete floors before nothing good. They do not promise cracks and distortions and are fraught with not only unnecessary repair costs, but also a threat to life. It's great that construction workers have goats. Special polymer foams that fill voids and allow you to level the foundation. On the screens, an option called a geophysicist was saved, for example, grain power weighing about 82 tons by lifting it by more than 17 centimeters, foam 50% cheaper. Other methods do not require heavy equipment and it takes just a couple of hours to act quickly on small buildings and structures. The lifespan of foam is as liquid as that of concrete slabs and floors. Thanks to advanced equipment, I could to object dust, for example, hospitals and laboratories. They are not only practical, but also beautiful, because they combine wooden and reinforced concrete elements, and are also quickly and easily assembled depending on the type of wood. A 10-20-year warranty for boards is assembled at the request of the client, but serial models offer up to 4 cameras and a total length of up to 3 holes 6/10 of a meter. In addition, the boards are angled and can be easily removed, making it easier to load and unload storage. They also provide optimal ventilation. The price tag for all this fun is about $260. Calculate costs more accurately by the calculator built into the site.